Oh, look at who's sleeping here. What are you doing in the living room? Oh, yeah. Little sleeping beauty. Oh, you're like, Dad, stop filming me. You're like, Dad, stop filming me. Alright, kid, you're looking good. I'm gonna head up. Oh, are you waking up? No, still sleeping. Ooh, big stretchy. Good morning. I see you there. Where's my little baby? Where's my baby girl? Where's my baby? There you are. Good morning. I know. It's been a while since we've done one of these. I know. Alright, I'll leave you alone. You have a great day. Grandma's gonna be here today, huh? You gonna behave for her? Gonna be a good girl? You gonna be a good boy? Uh-huh. Alright, Avery. I love you. You have a great day. Okay. Bye.